we will now do the step function. Now there's another plot called step, and step plot can be done using the step function. Now what is that? In mathematics, a function on the real numbers is called a step function if it can be written as a finite linear combination of indicator functions of intervals. Informally speaking, a step function is a piecewise constant function having only finitely many phases. Now we will see how we can make a step plot. So for doing this, first we need to make the axis and the subplot. So here we are doing it plt dot subplots, and then we need to put step. So this step function will actually do our job. X comma y comma line width equals to 2.5 and x dot step. Sorry, now we need to do the set the x lim and y lim. So x lim equals to 0, 8 and y lim is also like 0, 8, 0, 8. We also need to put the x ticks. So x ticks equals to np dot arrange 1, 8 and y tick equals to np dot arrange 1, 8. Okay, so after this it's done. Now we need to do plt dot show. Now what will this function do? This function will actually plot, the step function will plot, and it will help us to see the plot. Let's run this. See, so here our step plot is done using the step function. What is this? Module numpy. Okay, so here a little mistake. It will be only AR, the spelling mistake. So okay, the step function is done.